Have you ever wondered about the intricate dance of power and law that plays out in the highest court of the United States, the Supreme Court? Picture it, 9 justices cloaked in black robes, seated on a raised bench, deliberating over cases that can shape the future of a nation. It's a fascinating sight, one that is steeped in tradition, history, and the ever-evolving interpretation of the Constitution. Now imagine a case of such magnitude that it has the potential to alter not just the legal landscape, but the political one as well. This story begins with a court case surrounding former President Trump. A ruling from the Colorado Supreme Court threatened to remove him from the ballot under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, the so-called insurrectionist ban. However, the U.S. Supreme Court reversed this decision, marking a significant win for the former president. The question at the heart of this case was whether a state had the power to disqualify a presidential candidate under the 14th Amendment. This was a novel and somewhat audacious legal theory, one that was met with skepticism from justices on both sides of the aisle. The Supreme Court's decision made it clear that it was up to Congress, not the states, to make such a decision. This ruling has far-reaching implications. Not only does it apply to Colorado, but it sets a precedent for all states across the country who might have been considering a similar move. However, this was not the only Trump-related case on the docket. A month and a half later, the Supreme Court held oral arguments about whether the former president has immunity to protect him from a federal election subversion case. This dance of power and law is a testament to the complexity of the American legal system. The Supreme Court stands as the final word on constitutional questions, its rulings shaping the country's future. It is a story of power, politics, and the ongoing interpretation of the Constitution, a story that continues to unfold. To summarize, the U.S. Supreme Court overturned a ruling from the Colorado Supreme Court that sought to remove former President Trump from the ballot under the 14th Amendment. The court clarified that the power to make such a decision lies with Congress, not the states. This ruling applies to all states, setting a powerful precedent. In addition, the court is set to hear arguments about the former president's immunity in a federal election subversion case. These cases highlight the pivotal role of the Supreme Court in shaping the legal and political landscape of the United States.